Hey everyone, Amanda Phillips here with my resource walkthrough for the week. I decided to explore Zearn.org. It was really simple to make an account. I could just sign in through Google and literally took 30 seconds to make a class roster and explore as a teacher. So then I actually decided to log in as one of my students. So that's why we see Lucy here, her name. And right here is the name for my class, which is awesome because as the math specialist at my school, I support a lot of grade levels and I also teach a fifth grade advanced class and then a seventh grade pre-algebra class that is quite low. It's a group of 5 students. Our students are grouped and tracked throughout middle school. So although it's Math 7, we're working on more fifth grade and sixth grade foundational skills. So my target grade level and standards and skills for this course have been grade 5, mostly fractions and decimals. And that continues through this resource as well. So for Washington, D.C., we follow the Common Core at my school. So the standard is performing operations with multi-digit whole numbers and with decimals to the hundredths place. And for my colleagues in Nebraska, that connects to your standard right here, showing relationships among whole numbers, fractions, and decimals, which goes into rounding and also operations. So although my focus is fifth grade, as I said, my seventh grade class really benefits from a lot of the foundational and number sense activities and base 10 knowledge that we would see in fifth grade. So this was really neat. I logged in as Lucy, and as the teacher, I could set where I want Lucy to begin. And then I went through, I actually completed the number gym that had me building numbers using place value blocks, so showing a lot of conceptual understanding. And from there, then we got to do a sprint, which was rounding decimals to the nearest whole number. It gave me 60 seconds to answer as many questions as I could, and I got to do that twice. So I got to watch my number of correct answers increase, as well as it prompts you to go back through every single one. And any one that you've missed, you also have the opportunity to correct it. So I like that the feedback is right there and kids are able to see what they missed in real time. So the next thing I went to was Learning Lab. I want to be able to show you an example of what, again, this is from the kids' perspective, what they would see. So like I said, it started out really conceptual understanding, just building decimals, and I love that it continues. We haven't seen anything with the algorithm yet. It's really modeling still within a place value chart. So I had already put in these 2 decimals into my place value chart, so now I'm counting them up. I also love that it's in a 5 frame, so it's really easy for the kids to see that that would be 7 thousandths. And my ones, I can see 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also press the numbers down here, and it's going to have you fill in the zeros as well and enter. Again, it gives you immediate feedback, and then you're able to move on. After they've seen it visually, then they have the opportunity to also type it in again, as they would see more of the standard algorithm. So multiple representations and a ton of exposure.
We had
There's
8
also a
ones and
video.
7 thousandths.
Sorry, that was quite
So
loud.
2 and 6 thousandths plus 6 and 1 thousandth equals 8 and 7 thousandths. Let's record.
I love that they're having a model read it correctly and also highlight as we go. That's really going to help our students who need that extra support. Oh, I could continue to explore this some more, but I want to be able to share with you how I plan on using this in my room. This would be great for a math workshop. It's really would be convenient to implement. Kids can be working on this while I'm pulling small groups, and I love that it can be targeted instruction. This is also something that they could do at home and have easy login access to. I hope you enjoy exploring this resource. I really think it's worth checking out. Thanks. Have a great night.